Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking a single focus for each short note so it stays useful and retrievable. Once decided, write one clear line, 10 to 20 words or a half column, to force precision. This reduces clutter. Use shorthand and tags like #idea or initials to show context quickly, and keep symbols consistent so you decode them later. Make sure to add a one-word title. That small effort speeds search and recall, and it keeps your notes instantly actionable. Once you have the first lines, structure each note with 3 parts: a tiny title, the core sentence, and one action or question to follow up. This helps you see why the note matters. Make sure to tag or timestamp related notes so you can group them later. Tags act like folders without the friction. If an idea is long, break it into 2 or 3 linked short notes and connect them with a common tag. This preserves detail while keeping each item skimmable. You finish by reviewing and pruning. Once a week, merge duplicates, sharpen titles, and update tags so retrieval stays fast. Then sync or export key short notes into one permanent file to prevent loss and provide a quick study set. If your system gets messy, pick the top 5 notes that matter and rebuild from them. This resets clarity quickly. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't find things, simplify tags to 3 core categories and retag the top priority notes first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.